The EZ Fold-N-Go Rollator from Stander is the most compact portable rollator on the market. Traditional rollators are bulky and hard to fold, where the EZ Fold-N-Go Rollator folds in seconds with the lift of a finger and folds 3 times smaller than traditional rollators, so you can store it in the front seat of your car, your shopping cart, or in the overhead bin of an airplane, giving you the freedom to travel places where a traditional rollator can't. The patented rubber braking system is safer and more responsive than traditional metal brakes and can be locked in place to support up to 250 pounds while sitting. It comes with a 2-pocket organizer pouch to keep handy items close by and a large undercarriage basket to store groceries, purses, and other large items. The modern 2-tone design comes in regal rose, black walnut, or cobalt blue, and it comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee and limited lifetime warranty, so it's the last rollator you'll ever have to buy. So whether you are running errands or planning your next vacation, now you can enjoy the journey with the EZ Fold-N-Go Rollator from Stander.